Daisies, welcome back to my channel. So today we are decorating my console table and my coffee table in my family room. In a previous video I told you guys that I was in the process of redecorating my space after the holidays, and so this is what I have come up with in my color scheme. So Michaels never lets me down with the florals. They always have the ones that I really love, and I like a nice full vase. So I previously showed you guys this vase in Hobby Lobby. As you can see, it is a deep blue color. I wanted it to be black, so I am spray painting it with the Rust-Oleum black satin finish. Now this is a dupe for the vases, the ceramic vases that you see on like Pottery Barn and West Am. At this size, they're around $100, and I did not want to pay that much for a vase. So I decided to create my own dupe, and I love the way that it turned out. I love the sheen. That's the finish that I wanted. And I'm going to insert a picture so that you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, the comparison of the two.
Drama, hey, I'm starring in this drama. Baby, you know I'm not getting over you. Baby, you know I'm not getting over you. Hey, I'm starring in this drama.
I am in love with the way this vase turned out with the black spray paint. It looks exactly like I wanted it to look on my table. So right here I decided to switch it up and add a little bit more gold to my table. So these circular candle pillars came from Home Goods, and they're actually similar, you know, more of a lower end to those Z Gallery circular pillars. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, daisies.